Hi, I'm Dr. Agatha Biss, and today I'm going to adjust my own night guards so that I can show you how we adjust night guards in the office so that they're really comfortable and protect the patients from grinding. Here we go. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that it's seated all the way and it's not too loose. So that's an obvious one. So make sure it doesn't come out easily and it's on and it's snug and it doesn't hurt. If it does, obviously you have to do some adjustments. The next thing we do is we want to make sure that the patient's holding in the very back, but don't mark the canine and don't look at the front yet. So we want to position the articulating paper just distal to the canine. And just tug at it. Okay, the same thing on the other side. I normally do it with both, but I'm trying to hold the mirror. Okay. So, feels even on both sides. So, ask the patient, does it feel even? Yep. Next thing you want to do is adjust for slides. So you want canine rise. This is for TMJ patients, or bruxism patients. So you want to make sure that that canine is against the lower night guard. So slide to the right, and let me show you. You can use this. Slide, and if this comes out, we have no interferences. If it doesn't, if it gets stuck, adjust out the interferences until the canine is the only one guiding the bite. Same thing on the other side. Well, I have an interference. I felt a tug in the back. So I'm going to adjust it. So we had an interference over here, and you can see this big giant spot right here that I hit. This is normally would be the distal of the 5, so I'm just going to scoop it out, groove it down. Okay. Okay. Try again. And slide. And now it comes out nicely. So that's your interference. Next thing you want to do is make sure there's no protrusive interferences. So the front teeth clear and the canine's guide. Okay, so we go forward. And I think I hit somewhere in the front, don't I?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah, the lateral. I can feel it actually.
So
that's freaky.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was, oh, okay. So, right here. And see, it's tugging. And I'm gonna just adjust that out. I have no foot pedal.
I'll do it. Just kidding.
What you want to do is make sure you're not taking out the canine rise, right? So you could easily grab like a different color and mark the canine. Alright, now lose the canine, and then we're going to mark the lateral. And you adjust just the mark for the lateral, so the red. Check again. And we clear.
Yay!
There. That's the basics. Night guard 101, night guard adjustment 101. Simple. posterior occlusion, even on both sides, no interferences, canine rise, no protrusive interferences. The patient's gonna love it. Thanks for watching.